Good morning, everybody. Here to dye up another shirt for you. It's been soaking in our soda ash or sodium carbonate for about the last 30 minutes or so. We're gonna twist it up and throw some color on it. Come along for the ride. We got a large soft style here. I think I'm just gonna do a basic spiral. Kick it off with a little spiral. Just get it nice and all around. Nice and spiraled out. And then we will band it. That don't look too bad. We'll see what we end up with.
It's gorgeous.
To the dyeing rack.
To the dyeing rack.
So, for this one, I got a rainbow spiral. Neon rainbow. So up first, we got a little splash of hot pink. And I think what I'm gonna do for this one is I'm gonna do like a spiraling pattern. So we'll see how that works. Do it like this. Spiraling into the center. And I don't expect this one to turn out too good. This is the first one like this I've ever done. So just trying to get warmed up for the day.
Had hot pink. What's that? Deep orange?
Deep orange.
Yep.
A little bit of citrus yellow. Yeah,
Citrus has quickly become a favorite of mine.
Oh yeah. I love the citrus yellow. It's just such a nice bold yellow. I want to try that daffodil, but I don't know. I guess we'll see. We have granny apple. Nice little slice of granny apple. And turquoise.
Ooh.
Great turquoise. And then we will polish it off with a little bit of lavender. Try to get a good gradient going on there as best I can. So all told on this one, we have hot pink, deep orange, citrus yellow, granny apple, turquoise, and lavender. Time for the flop. Let's go over here. Flip it to the flop. Get a little bit of hot pink back here. Soak it in real good because the pink doesn't get the best of coverage every time. A little bit of deep orange. I don't want to use quite as much on the back as I did the front side, so be a little more sparing with it, and we're going to be a little deeper with the yellow. I do want it to soak in good. Citrus. apple. go. Turquoise. I'm very careful that my dye is running away from my pattern too, not towards it. A little pinch of the lavender and we'll be good to go. Just get a little draping of that in there, maybe a little bit in there. I'm gonna call that good. To the drying rack we go.
The drying rack.
Bottom shelf where it will sit for the next 24 hours until we're ready to rinse it on out. Alrighty folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We'll see y'all tomorrow.